plus minus 3x square z square dabba by dabba z. So don't change the sequence. If you write this instead of like this, if you write dabba by dabba x and then x square y, this will be wrong because first term is u bar. First term is u bar and then it is del. So you have to write down x square y and then dabba by dabba x. Don't interchange. That will be wrong. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Like this. Now.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ujjwal.
सर u bar डॉट डेल आपण डेल डॉट u bar लिहू नाही शकत का?
जसं तुम्हाला मी सांगितलंय की a डॉट b डॉट a because a bar आणि b bar were the vectors. हे दोन्ही पण वेक्टर्स आहेत आणि हे दोन्ही पण वेक्टर्स आहेत. तसं डेल वेक्टर आहे का? Del is not the vector. Del is the operator. Del is the operator. Del is like a derivative. Like a derivative. d by dx. पण याच्यामध्ये आपण डेल मध्ये घेतो पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. म्हणजे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे की कशाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा आहे? डाबा बाय डाबा x चा, डाबा बाय डाबा y चा, डाबा बाय डाबा z चा. तर जसं a बार आहे तर a बार हा वेक्टर आहे. डेल हा ऑपरेटर आहे. त्यामुळे जसं वेक्टर a डॉट डेल will not be equals to del dot a. But vector a dot vector b can be written as b dot a. Del is the operator. तो ऑपरेट करतो, तो डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतो, पण त्याची पोझिशन इंटरचेंज करता येणार नाही जरी डॉट प्रोडक्ट असला. पण डेल हा वेक्टर नाही, तो ऑपरेटर आहे. क्लिअर झालंय का?
येस सर.
For your reference, you may write down vector u dot del will not be equals to del dot vector u. It will not be equal. Vector u dot vector del will not be equals to del dot u. Please remember this thing. Now you have to write complete given condition. U dot del phi. We have find U dot del. first write x square y, then dabba by dabba x. This is multiplied with outside the bracket. Plus just observe the sequence. I am not changing the sequence. I have multiplied this part. You'll get the answer. थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट आहे, फक्त सिक्वेन्स चेंज करू नका u bar डॉट del सोबत. Tell me this one, and this one.
Sir, 2xyz plus y square x cube x square z minus 3x square z square ब्रैकेट में x square y.
Very good. Very good. अब ये आएगा कंप्लीटली ये करेक्ट है क्या देखना.
Yes sir, you correct.
अभी 1 to 1 पॉइंट दिया है. जिसमें x की वैल्यू 1, y की वैल्यू 2 और z की वैल्यू 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके क्या आंसर आता है मुझे बताना।
जीरो सर।
जीरो नहीं, जीरो नहीं आएगा।
सिक्स।
यस, आंसर इज आंसर इज 6। If u is equals to x plus y plus z, v is equals to x plus y, v is equals to x plus y, w is equals to minus 2xz minus 2yz minus z square. Then find del u dot del u dot del v, del u dot del v cross del w, del w. Write down this, try to solve. You know u, find del u. What is del u? you know del phi. What is del u?
One I plus one J plus one K.
Very good. Very good. I w by w x plus j w by w y plus k w by w z. Yes, please tell me once again. What was your answer?
One I plus one J plus one K.
1i plus 1j plus 1k. Very good. This is del u. Now you might have find del v also.
One I plus one J plus zero K.
Very good. 1i plus 1j plus 0k. What is del w?
Minus 2ZI minus 2ZJ minus 2K.
Minus 2k. ते एकदा परत एकदा विचार. Those who are not getting, I will tell you. This already we had find. If you know phi, you had find del phi. I had explained this and we had solved also. Del phi. Directional derivative वेळेला del phi find केलेला आहे. तसंच from del phi we are finding del u, del v, del w. So I derivative of u with respect to x. Then j derivative of u with respect to y and k derivative of u with respect to z. तर इथे x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1, y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1, z चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1. तर म्हणून 1i plus 1j plus 1k. इथे x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1, y चा 1, z नाहीच आहे म्हणून 1i plus 1j plus 0k. आता इथे कंप्लीट w चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह with respect to x is 2z. इथे x टर्म नाहीये, इथे x टर्म नाहीये त्यामुळे 0 आला. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड वन with respect to y. इथे y नाहीये त्यामुळे हे 0. इथे y नाहीये त्यामुळे हे 0. इथे y आहे. This comes to be minus 2z. So second we got minus 2z. Minus 2z. Like this we got minus 2z. Now remains third one. Remains third one. So this bracket again with respect to z. So here is the z term. It comes minus 2x. Here is the z term minus 2y. Here is the z term. Derivative is 2z. कळलं का उज्ज्वल?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this we got del w. This we got del w. Now you are supposed to find del u dot del v cross del w. What this is? What is this?
BTP.
BTP का STP. Just check. Is it?
Sorry, yes.
STP. It is a scalar triple product. Now scalar triple product, can we write it like this in a box? Just refer scalar triple product. So scalar triple product is also known as STP, also known as box product. Scalar triple product is the box product. This is STP. Scalar triple product, STP, is also known as box product. Scalar triple product or box product. How to find STP? How to find STP? Scalar triple product. How to find STP? How to find STP?
Indeterminate.
Determinant. Box product. Scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Box product. And box product is written as like del U, del V, del W. Scalar triple product. Box product. In this, first you will be writing the coefficient of ijk of del U. Ijk for del U. 1, 1, 1. Then you will be writing for del V. 1, 1, 0. Then you will be writing for del W. Del W. Minus 2z, minus 2z, and remaining one, that is minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z. This one. And this determinant you have to solve. This determinant, you know how to solve the determinant. So many problems we have solved. Now solve this determinant and tell me the answer. Yes?
Answer 0 है हल्ला.
Answer 0. Yes, answer is 0. Very good. Answer comes with 0. If you solve this determinant, you will get answer 0. Now in this type, last part, in this type last part. So that is related to the unit vector, last part. And after finishing this, in the next class, we'll be covering like a proof that, and prove that again. One question will be definitely there is an examination for 5 marks. Prove that, or we have to derive, or we have to show that these two things given are equal. So this is one part, the question on which definitely comes in the examination. So at least one question will be there, or maybe two questions, but one is definitely there. थोडं इनिशियली डिफिकल्ट वाटेल तुम्हाला, कारण काही काही आयडेंटिटीज, वेक्टर आयडेंटिटीज तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवावे लागणार आहेत आणि सॉल्व्ह करावं लागेल. सो दिस विल बी द सेकंड स्टेप ऑफ दिस वेक्टर. आणि त्याच्यानंतर लास्ट पार्ट विल बी देयर, दिस विल बी इन अ types, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, like this. Once we complete vector, the remaining units hardly requires 2 to 3 hours to complete one unit. बाकीचे जे units आहेत तर ते छोटे छोटे facts and probability. ENTC ब्रांचची कोणी आहे का? ENTC नसेल कोणी. मेक आणि कॉम्पस आहे ना आता या ब्रांच मध्ये. हॅलो,
ऑनली मेकॅनिकल आहे सर.
हे सगळे मेकॅनिकल आहेत का? मग मेकॅनिकलला वेक्टर डिफरन्शिएशन कंप्लीट आहे, त्यातले मेथड्स वेगवेगळे मेथड. मग ठीक आहे, बाकीचा पार्ट आपल्याला कमी होतोय. एक लास्ट प्रूफ आहे, पण तो इझी आहे. एक्झामच्या अगोदर संपवायचं, त्यामुळे तसा प्लॅन करावा लागेल. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, हा लास्ट पार्ट related to the unit vector. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction. Find the unit vector in the direction. हो मॅडम, सॉरी बघितलं कंटिन्युअस क्लासमध्ये आहे ना, बॅच झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कॉल करणार असेल. आता एक क्लासमध्ये माझा ऑफिस तो find the unit vector in the direction. Normal to the surface. In the direction normal to the surface. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. And 1, 2, 2. One, two, two. unit vector is nothing but and it is given normal to the surface. Normal to the surface is phi. Surface is phi. No, what is normal to the surface? What is normal to the surface? What is normal to the surface? Normal to the surface is del phi. Remember this term. Phi is the surface. Del phi is normal to the surface. Normal to the surface is perpendicular. Normal to the surface is perpendicular. So del phi is normal to the surface. And when you want unit vector normal to the surface, in the direction normal to the surface, so we will use for normal to the surface as n. So you are supposed to find n cap, unit vector. Unit vector is denoted by cap. Unit vector for R is R cap. Unit vector for A is A cap. So similarly, unit vector for normal to the surface is n cap. And R cap is written as vector R divided by mod of vector R. Unit vector for A cap is written as vector A divided by mod of vector A. Mod of vector A. Similarly, n cap is written as del phi divided by mod of del phi. Mod of del phi. Mod of del phi. And here points are given 1 to 1. Points are given 1 to 1. So you have to consider at 1 to 2. Points are given 1 to 2. Like this. So this is the formula for finding unit vector in the direction normal to the surface. Normal to the surface means del phi. Normal to the surface is del phi. Phi is the surface. Remember this thing. Now, when you find del phi, you know how to find del phi. But what is del phi? What is del phi? Del phi. This equation in terms of x, y and z is del phi. This is del phi. Now how to write phi? Observe carefully. How to write phi? Phi is written as, transpose this 9 towards left, x square plus y square plus z square minus 9. X square plus y square plus z square minus 9 is phi. And you know how to find del phi. Del phi. Del phi is I in the bracket derivative with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x is 2x plus j. Derivative with respect to y, 2y plus k. Derivative with respect to z, 2z. So this is del phi. This is del phi. So del phi comes to be 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk is del phi. Now you want at the point 1 to 2. Del phi at the point 1 to 2. Tell me how much it comes. 2i plus 4j plus 4k. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me what is mod of del phi at the point 1, 2, 2. How to find mod of del phi? What is mod of del phi? Who will tell me? Mod of del phi. Yes. Mod of del phi.
Sir, 6
Yes,
येतं का answer?
Answer.
Six.
Answer. 6. Oh,
Hello?
correct. Yes. बरोबर आहे. बरोबर आहे. The mod of del phi म्हणजे काय? तर 2 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. Very good. Very good, Suvita. So this comes to be 16 plus 16, 32 plus 4, 36. Root 36 is 6. So mod del phi is root 36, that is 6. आता फक्त व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करा. इथे या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करा. इथे व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट केली तर डेल फाय किती आलं होतं? 2i plus 4j plus 4k. 2i plus 4j plus 4k. 2i plus 4j plus 4k and is divided by 6. This is your answer. This is your answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similar code. Two x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 7. Is equals to 7. Add 1 minus 1, 2. Homework. Similar problem. Solve this for homework. Next homework problem. Find the unit vector in the direction of tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve, x is equals to sine t, x is equals to sine t, y is equals to cos t, z is equals to t, z is equals to t at t equals to pi by 4. आता इथे आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये नॉर्मल होतं, परंतु तुम्ही नॉर्मलचा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला. नॉर्मलचा फॉर्म्युला यूज केला तुम्ही n cap is equals to del phi divided by mod of del phi. So this formula you have to use for this problem. Now for this particular problem you have to find tangent. Tangent means v bar. Tangent means v bar. So you want to find unit vector v cap. So v bar divided by mod of v bar. So use this formula here. So you have to find v bar now. Now you know how to find v bar. We had solved the problem. Angle between two vectors. That time we had used this. So v cap is equals to v bar upon mod of v bar. Use this formula. So you have to write r bar xi plus yj plus zk. You have to write r bar xi plus yj plus zk. Then take the derivative. You will get vxi plus vyj plus vzk. Then substitute the value pi by 4. You will get v bar. Now you know how to find v cap from v bar. So this already we had used. Next problem. Find the unit vector in the direction of tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve. X is equals to e raised to t. Y is equals to two sin t plus 1. Z is equals to t minus cos t at t equals to 0. At t. Here also tangent means here also you will be using the formula v cap is equals to v bar divided by mod of v bar. Use this formula. all these three problems for homework. Find the unit vector along the direction of line along the direction of line x minus 1 by 2 is equals to y plus 2 divided by 1 is equals to z minus 3 divided by 5. Z minus 3 divided by 5. जेव्हा पण अशा टाइप मध्ये इक्वेशन दिलं असेल आणि डायरेक्शन along the direction of line दिलं असेल along the direction of line. So remember that direction vector, this denominator represents direction vector for line, equation of line. So direction vector. So you have to write u bar as direction vector or direction. This is known as dr, direction ratio. Direction ratio. This is generally written as dr. dr of a line, direction ratio of a line. So dr of a line is nothing but denominator. So direction ratio is the direction. So direction of a line is the denominator of this equation. So 2i plus 1j plus 5k. And in this direction you want unit vector. In this direction you want unit vector. In this direction you want unit vector. So find u cap. Find u cap. So use this formula. This denominator represents direction ratio. Denominator represents direction ratio, and equation of a straight line will be the denominator. Equation of straight line will be the denominator. आता similar एक question. Find the unit vector along the direction of line along the direction of line. इथे इक्वेशन दिलंय. X minus 2 y plus 1 z minus 1. आता हा प्रॉब्लेम आणि वरचा प्रॉब्लेम सेम आहे, फक्त इथे डिनॉमिनेटर नाहीये. तर डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये आणायचं आहे. तर इथे फक्त मला ब्रॅकेट x minus 2 हवा आहे. So given is twice x minus 2 y plus 1 z minus 1. So I want to remove this 2. To remove these 2, divide this equation by 2. Divide by 2. सगळ्या त्याला divide by 2 करा. So this will come x minus 2 divided by 2. 2 to cancel will. It will come 1. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Z minus 1 divided by 2. आता हा प्रॉब्लेम वरच्या कॉलम सारखा झालाय का? आता याचा डायरेक्शन रेशो सांगा. डायरेक्शन रेशो काय आहे?
I plus 2j plus 2k.
हा I plus
2j.
plus 2k. Yes, denominator. Very good. Denominator. So denominator represents direction of a line. Denominator represents direction of a line. So here you will get u bar as 1i plus 2j plus 2k. आणि मग फायनली तुम्हाला इथे यूज करायचा आहे फॉर्म्युला वरचा दाखवलं मग. Hello. Hello. You can find from this divided by mod of vector u. Vector u divided by mod of vector u. हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा, तुम्हाला युनिट वेक्टर मिळेल. and this will be the solution. झालं. हे पण हा पार्ट कंप्लीट होतो. एवढे न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व्ह करा होमवर्क मध्ये. काय डिफिकल्टी असेल तर उद्याच्या क्लासमध्ये क्लिअर करू. So the variety simply